right, my people. Got something to tell you guys. I had originally purchased this amp through Down for Sound, but it lasted near 5 seconds, and then it blew. The clip light came on and stayed on, and no sound. So you guys probably know what it is. So I set it off and I got the warranty, so I'm going to go ahead and unbox this second one, and we're going to do a video on this second one, see if it's good or is it a bust. So you guys should probably know what it is already. That's right. I purchased this amp right here. SFB 5000D. I heard some things about it and read reviews. Reviews are mixed. Some people say it's good, some people say it's bad. In my experience, the first one, 5 seconds, and then the clip light came on and no sounds. Like, whoa. So we're gonna try this one more time. So we're gonna do a quick unboxing. Let me take it out the box here. Let me see here. All right, so you'll get this amp, and how do you open it? Okay, open it from this way, and when you open it, you'll get this. Get a manual, huh? Get the manual. That's interesting. The last time I got it, I didn't get no manual, none. So that's different. Okay, this must be for the bass knob. Bass knob. Okay, bass knob. Amp look like this. No, I'm just digging everything out. Ooh, a little Sundown sticker. Okay, I didn't get that the last time either. So maybe the amp, maybe I got one was used. Who knows? And take out the box. And take out the box real quick. It looked like that. All right, I took it out the box, and this is how it looks. It's not a real small footprint. This is full bridge amp. You turn it over. Got two grounds, two positive, a remote in, a remote out. This side has one input, one output, crossover points, high, low, gain, level, remotes, power clip light, speaker outputs, 8 gauge, and like I said, we'll see what happens. We'll see what happens on the second one. I can't say my phrase that I usually say because I'm not sure. So we just hook it up and we'll see what happens. Yes, this is amp number 2. So let's see what happens with this one. All right, my people. I just took the Down for Sound JP 2300 out, and we're going ahead and try this. Put this Sundown in. See the difference in sizes? Yeah, the JP is bigger. This is almost, about half the size. A little bit wider, but about half the size. So, yeah, let's go ahead and let's install this amp. And let's see what happens. Hopefully it'll work this time. All right, my people. I got it installed. It's in there. As you can see, I did some upgrades to it as well. You see the 2.0 all the way from the front. I got two Down for Sound lithium batteries, 2 of them, baby. See, 2 Down for Sound batteries, baby. Still got the Scar EVL 12s, and yeah. So let's see if this will work. Oh, you probably wondering why I did the front. I still got the big 3 and all that. Oh, hold on. I still got the big 3 and all that stuff as well in the front. So we good in the front. Let's do a quick demo of this thing. New system, baby. Let's try it out. right, y'all. That's a quick little demo. Still got some tuning to do, but hey, wow, so far so good. Yeah, it hits. It hits, people. So far so good. Clip light hasn't come on. I mean, yeah. So far so good. So we're gonna do a long-term review on this amp because, you know, we get some mixed reviews. Some of the amps that have cut off. This is my second one, so my first time with a full bridge, but hey, this one seemed to be working good so far. So we'll see what happens long term. Till then, my people, keep bassing.